You need to see this. Do you want to reach a huge and varied audience with your videos? Then you need to be on YouTube, the world's most popular video sharing platform. But with millions of other videos competing for attention, how can you stand out and get more views on your channel? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I will share some tips and strategies that can help you boost your YouTube views and grow your channel. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more awesome content. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, understand your niche and audience. To get more views on YouTube, you need to make videos that your target audience wants to watch. You need to find your niche and create content that matches their interests, needs, and preferences. For example, if you are a fitness instructor, you might make videos about workouts, nutrition, health tips, etc. for people who want to get fit or stay healthy. How do you find your niche and audience? You can do some research on YouTube and other platforms. See what other successful channels in your category are doing, what keywords they use, what topics they cover, etc. You can also use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to analyze your competitors and get insights into their performance, audience demographics, engagement rates, etc. You can also use YouTube Analytics to learn more about your own channel and viewers. You can see how many views, watch time, subscribers, likes, comments, shares, etc. you get for each video, as well as where your traffic comes from, what devices your viewers use, what age group they belong to, etc. You can use this data to optimize your content and strategy for your target audience. Number 2, optimize your videos for search and recommendations. To get more views on YouTube, you need to make your videos easy to find and watch by both humans and algorithms. You need to optimize your videos for search and recommendations, which are based on factors like relevance, quality, popularity, watch time, engagement, etc. You can optimize your videos by paying attention to the following elements. Title. Your title should be catchy, clear, and descriptive of your video content. It should also include your main keyword or phrase that you want to rank for. For example, a good title for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might be How to Make a Delicious Chocolate Cake in 10 Minutes. You can use tools like CoSchedule Headline Analyzer or Backlinko's video title templates to craft effective titles. Description. Your description should provide more information about your video content, as well as relevant links and calls to action. It should also include your main keyword and some related keywords that you want to rank for. For example, a good description for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might be, in this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate cake in 10 minutes with simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for any occasion and will impress your friends and family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more baking tips. You can also use tools like Hootsuite's video description templates or vidIQ's AI description generator to write effective descriptions. Tags. Your tags should be relevant keywords or phrases that describe your video content and help YouTube understand what your video is about. They should also match the keywords that users are searching for on YouTube. For example, some good tags for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might be chocolate cake, cake recipe, how to bake, easy dessert, etc. You can use tools like vidIQ's MVC formula or TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer feature to find the best tags for your videos. Thumbnails. Your thumbnails are the images that represent your videos on YouTube. They are one of the first things that users see when they browse or search for videos on YouTube. They can make a huge difference in whether users click on your videos or not. Therefore, you need to create thumbnails that are eye-catching, relevant, and consistent with your brand and style. You can use tools like Canva or Snappa to design attractive thumbnails. You can also use colors that contrast with YouTube's red, black, and white themes such as blue, green, or yellow to make your thumbnails stand out more. For example, a good thumbnail for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might show a close-up of the cake with some text that says, "How to make a chocolate cake in 10 minutes in a bright color." Number 3. Promote your videos on other platforms and channels. To get more views on YouTube, you need to spread the word about your videos and channel on other platforms and channels. You can use social media, blogs, forums, email, etc. to reach more potential viewers and drive traffic to your YouTube videos. You can also collaborate with other creators and influencers to cross-promote your content and expose your channel to new audiences. Here are some tips on how to promote your videos on other platforms and channels. Share video clips on social media. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, etc. to share short clips or teasers of your videos and invite people to watch the full video on YouTube. You can also use hashtags, captions, stories, reels, etc. to attract more attention and engagement. For example, a good clip for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might show the final result of the cake, with some text that says, "Watch how I made this delicious chocolate cake in 10 minutes on YouTube," and a link to your video. You can use your blog or website to feature your videos and provide more value to your readers. You can embed your videos in your blog posts, create landing pages for your videos, write summaries or transcripts of your videos, etc. You can also use SEO techniques to rank your blog posts higher in Google search and drive more organic traffic to your videos. For example, a good blog post for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might include the full recipe, some tips and tricks, some photos of the cake, and an embedded video of your tutorial. You can use platforms like Quora, Reddit, and other forums to share your videos and answer questions related to your niche. You can find relevant topics or threads where people are asking for help or advice on something that your video can solve or explain. You can then provide a helpful answer and include a link to your video as a source or reference. For example, a good answer for a question like, "How do I make a chocolate cake without eggs?" might include a brief explanation of how to substitute eggs with other ingredients and a link to your video as an example. You can also collaborate with other creators and influencers who have similar or complementary niches and audiences as yours. You can do cross-promotions, shout-outs, guest appearances, interviews, challenges, etc. to feature each other's content and channels on your videos. This way, you can expose your channel to new viewers who might be interested in your content and vice versa. For example, a good collaboration for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might be with another creator who makes videos about how to decorate cakes. Number 4, engage with your viewers and build relationships. To get more views on YouTube, you need to engage with your viewers and build relationships with them. You need to show them that you care about their feedback, opinions, and suggestions, and that you value their loyalty and support. You also need to encourage them to interact with your videos and channel more often by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, etc. Here are some tips on how to engage with your viewers and build relationships with them. You should reply to as many comments as possible on your videos. You can thank them for watching, answer their questions, ask for their opinions, give them tips or advice, etc. You can also use tools like vidIQ's comment templates or TubeBuddy's comment filters to save time and manage your comments more efficiently. You should remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel at the end of each video or in the description. You can also use cards or end screens to add a subscribe button or link on your videos. Subscribers are more likely to watch more of your videos than non-subscribers because they get notified when you upload new content. You can create playlists of your best or most popular videos and organize them by topic, category, theme, etc. You can then promote your playlists on your channel page, in your video descriptions, on your end screens, etc. Playlists can help you increase your views by keeping your viewers engaged and watching more of your videos in a sequence. For example, a good playlist for a video about how to make a chocolate cake might be your other baking videos. You can also transcribe your videos and add captions or subtitles to them. This can help you reach more viewers who speak different languages, have hearing impairments, or prefer to watch videos without sound. You can use tools like YouTube's automatic captioning or rev.com to transcribe your videos. Transcribing your videos can also help you rank higher in search results and get more views because YouTube and Google can index your video content better. In this video, I have shared with you some steps and tips on how to get more views on YouTube and grow your channel. You need to do 4 things: understand your niche and audience, optimize your videos for search and recommendations, promote your videos on other platforms and channels, and engage with your viewers and build relationships with them. By following these steps and tips, you can boost your YouTube views and reach more potential viewers. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed learning the various ways to get more views on YouTube. If you did, please like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.